Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, student of the Bristol Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on a non-technical topic that is helpless without electricity. Electricity is the invisible force that powers modern civilization. From homes to industries. It runs almost every aspects of our lives. But imagine sudden power outage lasting hours or days. The one smooth functioning world comes to an grinding health, revealing our vulnerability without this essential resource. In the absence of electricity, the most immediate challenge arises in households. Basic activities like cooking, lighting, and preserving food become difficult. Refrigerators stop working, leading to food spoilage. Clean drinking water becomes a concern, especially in urban areas where water supply relies on electric pump. At night, the lack of lighting plunges homes into darkness, disrupting routine and causing discomfort. Communication system also crumble without electricity. Mobile phones, internet routers, and even landline connections may fail, cutting people off from the outside world. In an era dominated by digital connectivity, the inability to access information or contact loved ones create anxiety and isolation. Transportation is another critical area affected by power outages. Modern traffic management systems dependent on electricity fail, leading to chaos on roads. Trains, subways, and electric vehicles are rendered immobile. Fuel stations relying on electric pump cannot dispense fuel, causing further disruption. Health and safety concerns escalate in the absence of electricity. Hospitals without backup generators face life-threatening challenges in running critical equipment. Emergency services like fire station and police departments are hampered by lack of communication and operational tools. For people reliant on medical devices like oxygen concentrators, even a short outage can be fatal. Or large scale industries and businesses come to standstill without electricity. Factories help production, causing economic losses and jeopardizing livelihood. Offices relying on computers and electronic devices are paralyzed. Even financial systems, including ATMs and online banking, become inaccessible, creating a cascade of inconvenience. Electricity also powers our comforts and luxurious such as air conditioning and entertainment devices. Without these, people feel the stark contrast between their modern lifestyle and a simpler, more labor-intensive way of life. For many, these changes is both frustrating and revealing of our dependence on technology. The helpless fails during power outages highlights the fragility of modern society. It promotes us to value electricity not just as a convenience but as necessity. To mitigate such challenges, individuals and governments must invest in alternative energy sources like solar and wind power and prioritize energy conservation. Moreover, maintaining backup systems such as batteries and generators can help alleviate in impact of outage. The helpless fail during power outage highlight the fragility of modern society. It promotes us to value electricity not just as a convenience but as necessity. To mitigate most challenges, individuals and governments must invest in alternative energy sources like solar and wind power and prioritize energy conservation. In conclusion, life without electricity reminds us of the vital role it plays in every sphere of our existence. It underscores the need for sustainable energy practices and preparedness to ensure that we are not completely helpless when the power goes on. This is all about the helpless without electricity. Thank you.